Oliver's gonna do some makeup. He's not feeling so well today, so Mama thought it'd be fun for him to have an opportunity to finally get into her brushes. So she's got some fun stuff for him to play with. She put a towel down on the chair. He's ready to play.
Play.
Can you put it on your eyes? Yeah. Uh-huh, it looks fun. Hey, put it on your eyes. Wow, can you put it on your cheeks? Yeah, that looks good. Cheeks. Yeah? Wow, that's looking really good. Let's get a nice zoom here.
Mama. Mama.
Wow.
Mama.
Yeah. See his little face right there. Oh, good catch. Oh yeah? Here, let Mama wipe your nose. Can you put it on your cheeks? Let me see. Let me see your face. Wow, that looks good. Why don't we try some of this? Do you want to try this now? Here you go. I'll take that. You take that. Oh, wow. That's creative. Just gonna, oh, okay. I'll let you do your thing. Good job. Is that fun? Can you pick it up? Here. Can you pick it up, please? Right there. There we go. Good job. Oliver, which color do you like the best? For your eyes. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Can you put it on your nose? Uh-oh, it's not a good idea for a kid with a cold. Okay, we're gonna sanitize that. Oliver, look at Mama. Wow, beautiful. Oliver, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Say subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Say like this video.
Bye-bye.